Google Earth Pro is a virtual globe, map, and geographical information computer software. Some of our customers use Google Earth Pro as their preferred tool for visualization and analytics. You can overlay the outputs such as the orthomosaic on Google Earth Pro, and your customers can see it relative to the satellite imagery that Google Earth Pro provides. Google Earth Pro has tools which you can use to measure distance and area and add place marks. It is also a great way to demonstrate to your customers the difference in resolution between satellite imagery and drone imagery. While the satellite imagery is at best 15 meters per pixel in resolution, your drone imagery is up to 3 centimeters in pixel. That's almost 500 times more resolution. Hence, all the details and outputs you draw from your drone data is much more accurate. Also, the drone images are up to date, whereas satellite images can sometimes be up to a year old or even more. These are good marketing points that you can keep in mind while you talk to your customers. In the next lecture, I'm going to cover how we can work with Google Earth Pro to open your orthomosaic and perform operations on it.